What is up? We are back at the shop today, back from Brimstone. Did a bunch of miles, did some awesome riding. Really drove back on the trailer in one piece. Nothing really broke too bad, but there is a couple maintenance issues we got to get done. The bushings down there, well, I think one of them started to go out, so we're gonna end up doing those. And then we got new carrier bearing. Got this one from All Things UTV. There's a bunch of them out there. Everybody has their own opinions on what are better or not, but this is the one we got. I think it's 130 bucks or something like that. I could be wrong on that, but anyway, we're gonna get it up. I think that's what we're gonna take care of tonight. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do, take the skid plate off. Take the skid plate off, carrier bearing's right there, so we can get up onto it. We'll probably have to take the center console out too. Then the drive shaft should come out. I'm hoping we can pull this backwards because we got the RS1 diff up in there. And it's a pain in the butt, so I really don't want to have to come forwards. But we'll find out. Bringing the noise. That is what a skid plate normally looks like when you take it off. It's pretty nasty. If you don't take it off very often, you ought to do it. And that's where the carrier bearing is. So we're gonna pull that off. Put the new one in.
I take mine off like every other ride one.
That one? The skid plate? Yeah. This one's really not too bad, but I'd rather replace it before I need it than, and they're known for going out, so that's what we're gonna do. Next step, we're gonna take the center console out of this thing and the carrier bearing will be right beneath it.
Oh boy, here we go.
Take all these star bits out, star screws. T30, right?
Yeah.
T30 it up. I hope we can get that thing out without taking the diff apart or anything. That would suck. So what'd you think of that last video?
It was alright.
Yeah? Because you were in it? You know about that body clip tool. Once you get the center console out, there's a bolt down there that you got to get that dust cover out. That's designed to cake it full of mud. Bolts are trapped, so they should come right out of there. Yeah, nuts off. Gonna need a weeble wobble to get in that one.
Possibly. I'm gonna need somebody to wash it a little better next time. Is what we're gonna need. I guess when you let your buddy do all the work, it really don't matter, huh?
Somebody's gotta hold the camera. Right, Ryan? This dust shield goes all the way from the front to the back. Well, this is what's gotta come out. Alright, we got this plate loose. And luckily on the turbo, we got a flange here we can unbolt, which we have to do anyway. I'm gonna bolt that flange, drop it down, pull it back, that'll all come out, and it should be golden. Alright, drive shaft off. See if we can pull it back. That's not far enough, is it?
You're damn near off.
Oh yeah. Huh. It's crazy, it's different than yours. The carry bearing actually presses onto the front half of the drive shaft, not the back.
Was mine on the back?
Yeah. Sus?
Is that what success looks like?
Yes, it is, just like that. Had to pull it from the front diff out through the back there. It's a giant pain in the butt, but definitely doable. So now, pull this bearing off. Ryan's got a good idea. And put the new bearing on. Simple as that. Little C clip inside there you want to get off before you press it off. Ask us how we know. So we got our naked drive shaft, we got our old carry bearing off there. Now I got to press this new bearing on there and then it'll go in and put that housing. So we said forward like this probably.
50-50 shot, man.
I think some people use Loctite on the inside so it doesn't spin.
I have some. More of that.
Going down?
Yep. One more. That's it.
You just can't put the snap ring back on it.
No. Some of them have like clamps on it, but I don't really think you need them.
There's a groove.
Yeah, that
You want
goes.
this groove to line up with the groove on the
The groove.
shaft. So it'll grease it.
This go in there like that. See how that groove matches up? That's what greases it. Alright, so let's see if we can put it in. So that's the stock bolt that comes out of the carrier bearing. That's the one that goes back in it. Preston, me. Story of our lives. That's not where that goes, is it?
Well, at least with my little one, I can find the hole.
That's true.
You got that big long thing, you don't even know what to do with it.
Well, you can get to
Right.
the bolts
Oh,
last
yeah,
thing.
it slides.
So we'll get everything hooked up and then we'll tighten these bolts down. Okay.
Now the fun part. There you go. So Mike don't like to reuse his roll pin, so he uses a 1/4-inch bolt in there.
Smart.
It's a little easier, but
They sell all the same carrier bearing for all the 1000 and turbos and all that jazz. Okay.
you need to get a better camera.
What?
What'd I do? Oh, I I just zoomed away.
I need to get a better cameraman. Oh crap, I guess you gotta do it as you're putting it back in there.
Probably. Alright, we're gonna have to pause for a minute.
So, pretty much finished up in here. We got all the drive shafts lined back up. Like we said, there's that one master spline in there.
It's keyed and like double spline.
Yeah, so front drive shaft hooked back up. This is all ready to go. I got the back drive shaft hooked up to the transmission. About ready to drop it down and bolt the rest of the carrier together. Should be good, right?
I guess so.
Boom, just like that. All the bolts tightened up. Make sure you grease your greaser real quick while you're here. Grease that bearing up. Grease the slip yoke there. We all done? Are you?
I thought you were talking to yourself.
It's a common occurrence. All right, all things UTV carrier bearing installed. We're gonna go on a little test drive, make sure everything's working all right. Hope we don't have any super wobbles. I think we're good. Yeah, we're good. So far, so good. So wait until she gets a little warmed up before I wrap on her. Oh, look at that. Can't see anything. It's all underneath. It's super smooth though. I feel like it's a little smoother than the carry bearing. And that was a stock carry bearing. It only had like 400 miles on it.
You got more out of yours than I did mine.
Yeah.
I got 50 out of mine.
Yeah, Preston's lasted 50 miles. That's why I'm doing this here. Don't get stranded someplace. Oh, probably wind's probably terrible.
It's dead end.
I'm just turning around.
Oh.
Just turning around. I think you gotta hold the camera away from your face, or away from the wind. It's like,
Oh, the way the speaker is.
yeah, when I had it and I was talking like facing towards the wind, I was like,
Yeah, I noticed that.
super smooth. Very happy. Sweet. All right, well, I'm happy. Everything went fine. Very smooth. And the install really, it's Thursday night and it took us, what, 2.5 hours, if that. It's kind of a pain just getting up in there, but it's easy.
2.5 hours. I got here at 5.
Nice, easy upgrade for your RZR. So, Preston says, subscribe if you like these videos, because there's going to be tons more. That's his favorite thing to do.
Like, subscribe, and comment. Big Red 1032.